Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm very excited. I'm going to be doing an updated unboxing of the H2O Capsule bottle sleeves. If you saw my previous video, I did a full in-depth review and unboxing first impression video, and there were only very minor details that I was really hoping and wishing that they would have. And the great news is they finally added all of it. So I'm really excited about this. I have honestly been wearing my new and improved bottle sleeves every single day. I get stopped on the street all the time. If people aren't commenting on the fact that I have a lot of water on me, people are asking where the heck I got this. So very excited to be sharing this with you guys. Just to start this out, this is the beautiful green color we've got going on. I think this color is perfect for fall. It's honestly the color I'm most excited about, and I've been wearing it all day, every day. It actually looks great with non-gym outfits as well. You can see that they changed their hardware a little bit here. They have some new and improved zippers where it feels more of like a metal as opposed to a plastic. They also added the most beautiful crossbody feature, which is the most important feature, and it has been a total game changer. Where if I was drinking a gallon here and there throughout the week, I have this on me every single day now because it makes it so much easier for me to carry this and walk around New York City hands-free. Next one up, we've got this super cute cotton candy-esque bottle sleeve where we've got some blue, pink detailing. One of my favorite parts about this is the gold key clip. I'm a big fan of gold. I think that is the cutest thing ever. We've got the white detailing on the straps. Again, crossbody feature, and it is all adjustable. When you open the box, it has the name of the shade on the top. You open it up, it comes in a little plastic sleeve. Voila. Honestly, this gold sleeve, when I first saw this, when it was just a product idea, I told them I thought it was a little bit extra, but I've completely changed my mind. I think this is the cutest thing. I am an avid gold wearer, but I thought that this would be a little bit much, and I think this is actually very cute. I think pairing this with a casual outfit, super cute. And of course, all of these come with the same features. We have the key ring, we have the slot for all of your cards, we have the phone pocket, and the adjustable crossbody strap. Mike, Sarah, whoever else is on your team, you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I am more than impressed with this entire bottle sleeve collection, and I cannot wait for everyone else to get their hands on them as well. I know for sure the bottles are now up on their website, and I believe pretty soon they're gonna have the sleeves sold separately, so go ahead and snag yours. There's a link down below.